Developing strategies for different question types. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of test-taking strategies. More specifically, we will tackle strategies for different question types you might encounter in your Cambridge English exams. Whether you're re-attempting the test or preparing for your first go, understanding these strategies will put you ahead of the curve. Before we dive into specific strategies, it's essential to recognize the types of questions you might face. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. You're presented with a question and several possible answers. True, false, not given. Determine if statements are accurate based on the passage. Gap fill or sentence completion. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the passage. Short answer questions. Answer questions in a few words or a sentence. Knowing the structure helps you mentally prepare and apply the right strategies. Elimination. Remove options you're certain are incorrect. Keyword matching. Identify critical words in the question and match them with the text. Read around the options. Sometimes context from the surrounding sentences helps identify the correct answer. Scan the text. Before looking at the statements, get a brief idea about the passage's content. Match keywords. Similar to MCQs, match keywords in the statements with the passage. Be cautious. Not given means that the passage doesn't confirm or refute the statement. Predict the answer. Before looking at the options, if given, try to predict the type of word that fits, e.g., noun, verb, adjective. Check grammar and cohesion. Ensure your chosen word fits grammatically and makes sense in the context. Use surrounding clues. Sometimes, sentences before or after the gap provide clues. Limit your answer. Stick to the word limit. Excessive words can lead to marks deduction. Directly from the text. Your answer is usually directly from the passage. Avoid using your own knowledge. Stay concise. Only provide what's asked. Don't explain or elaborate. There you have it. Understanding different question types and using these strategies can significantly boost your test-taking abilities. Practice using these techniques in your preparation, and you'll soon find them becoming second nature. Remember, it's all about comprehension and efficiency. We hope this video proves invaluable in your Cambridge English exam journey. Happy learning!